Can you hear that? I can hear the birds chirping, but I'm hearing the rain falling down. It is a beautiful day. It's nice and warm. There's a rain coming down. I've been working hard planting some of my flowers and seeds, and the rain started coming down a little bit heavier, and I thought, hey, I want to sing in the rain with you. That's fun. We sure do like singing in the rain. Do you remember when we got the tap shoes out at school? I don't have tap shoes at home, just my rubber gardening shoes. But the rain reminds me of, I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. Do you remember when we started singing the song at school? We had a really rainy few days back in the fall, and we had so much fun playing out in the rain, and we sang some songs. Do you remember the one about gumdrops and lemon drops? If all of the raindrops were gumdrops and lollipops, oh, what a rain it would be. I would stand outside with my mouth open wide. If all of the raindrops were gumdrops and lemon drops, oh, what a rain it would be. Singing in the Rain by Arthur Freed and Nacio Brown. Here we go. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready to love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing, singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing, singing in the rain. After we sang our songs out in the rain, we went inside and checked on YouTube, and there was the fabulous Gene Kelly dancing in his tap shoes to Singing in the Rain. He was feeling happy with the rain coming down. I have got some exciting news for you also. Check out the sunflowers. Can you see? Some of the sunflowers actually poked through the soil. So exciting. Check it out. I'm gonna point for you. Here is one starting to grow. The little leaves are coming out. And, oh, right here, it's hard to see. It's kind of camouflage, but there is a little one here and another one right here that have popped out. This guy's starting to come up past the earth too. I wonder if the rest will join us. They're getting taller and bigger. So exciting. More seeds that I have to start today are my mini dwarf sunflowers. I like to have sunflowers and zinnias in my garden. And then most of the summer I can go out and clip 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 and make some beautiful vases for my house and my patio. I love planting time of year. This is great. All right, I think the rain has let up. I hear my neighbors have come out to play, so I'm gonna get back to planting. See you next time. Bye-bye.